Cruising the canal on my 45th sloop, John B. Cruising the cut is where I'll be.
Oh, I'm tired of who I was. Same old thoughts, the same old rush. Every mirror felt too loud. Didn't like what I saw now. And something changed. I can't explain. Right here, I found myself again. And the light I was missing then, happy peace that I let go, brought me back to who I know. Right here, I found myself again. Took a walk with nowhere to go, let the silence take control. All the weight I used to hold felt so small out in the open. And for the first time I felt alright. Right here, I found myself again. In the light I was missing then, every piece that I let go brought me back to who I know. Right here, I found myself again. No more running from the feeling, no more hiding in my head. All the things I thought I needed led me here instead. Right here, I found myself again. In the light I was missing then, every piece that I let go brought me back to who I know. Right here, I found myself again.
Good morning, folks, good morning and welcome back. Look at this. Jeez guys, it's going to be a hot one today. But I've got a lovely view, look all across the cornfields. Just beautiful. Just lovely. Anyway, today I'm cruising, I'm just about to set off. I'm carrying down the canal, I've got about 6 miles to go until I get to the Trent and Mersey river. Okay, so I'm here at the moment in these moorings on the River Soar. I'm right here in the middle of nowhere. Don't know where I am. But I'm going to go carrying up the river, carrying all the way up, all the way up, all the way around, all the way up, until I come onto this page, all the way up here, all the way up here, and this is the flood lock here for the River Trent. So and that's where I'm hoping to moor tonight, around Trent Lock. There's a few little pubs and a few moorings. Nice.
broken and hurt. Soft and asleep in the morning gray. Shake off the night and don't hide your face. The sun lights the world with a single flame. I want you to see this. I want you to see this. Today and all of your days, all where your pain. Heal what I can in your troubled mind. Sometimes our bodies will hurt for some time, and the beauty in that can be hard to find. I want you to find it. I want you to see this. I want you to see this. So run, wake up and run, my little one. I wanna tear down these walls that can't hold you inside, and rip out the cords and uncover your eyes. We'll make our escape in the dark of night. I need you to see this. Girl, you'll see the world, and you'll come to learn that falling in love is a strange work of art. All of your battles will shape who you are, and know that your scars are my favorite part. I want you to know this. Just a paper boat upon the sea.
first is dancing in the beam. It looks just like a laser stream. My coffee cup is warm and still. I'm sitting on the windowsill. I feel the gravity let go. I'm moving soft, I'm moving slow. The past is just a memory, and the future hasn't talked to me. And now I'm floating in a slow motion.
Okay guys, it looks like I'm coming to the end of the River Soar and about to go onto the River Trent and Mersey. My second river. I think I've got to do a left here and then we're going to moor up somewhere. Yes. So there's a big weir down there. So, and the sign, gotta go that way. And this is now the Trent and Mersey River. And it's a biggie, guys. We are on the Trent and Mersey, folks. Wow, brilliant. Bye bye River Soar. Hello Trent and Mersey. Okay, I can't really see any moorings. They all look full. Okay, I've just spotted some moorings up here. It's not where I want to go, but I think it's the only moorings I can see. So that's us moored up now. We just got on this bit of the canal. Nicky's ended up just in front of me there. Oh, chicken! But we don't want to come down this canal, so in the morning what we've got to do is reverse back onto the main Trent and Mersey and go up that way. But at least we've got some moorings, guys. Otherwise it would have been carrying on. And I tell you what, it's red hot. It is cooking today, guys. It is so hot. This is lovely. Ah. It's actually cooler on the boat than what I thought. God, it's hot out there, guys. I've just opened my door catch, let some air in. It's beautiful. I can see all the weed and all the fish. So I'm just making myself a little pudding. I'm going to have one apple, a handful of blueberries, one banana, one tangerine, one handful of crushed walnuts, or two, some chopped up 80% chocolate. Oh, topped off with carnation cream. Nice. And pop it in the fridge for later. But before I have my pudding, I'm going to have my egg and soldiers. Nice. Not very good soldiers. Must be RAF regiment. So it's been lovely here at Trent Lock on the junction. It's absolutely gorgeous. The problem is I'm in full sun all day and it gets to 38 degrees, 34 degrees, sorry, on the boat, and it's just too hot. So I need to move just to get some shade really. I also need water, so I've got to go. I'd love to stay here a few more days though, but needs must, guys, needs must. Let's go. Okay, just to show you where I am, I'm just I've come round here to go up here, but there's no moorings yesterday, so I ended up coming up here to moor here. So I've just got to reverse out here, back onto the Trent, and make my way up here, all the way along here, not far actually, to a place called Shardlow. And apparently there's nice little pubs here and there's moorings, so that's where I'm hoping to get to in the next 2 hours. Happy days. So I'm just reversing back now, trying to get onto the main bit of the Trent. It's lovely, isn't it? Okay, so I believe there's a watering point just past this little red sailing boat here, so I'm going to jump onto that if I can get in. So I managed to get in here and just moor up and get some water. So I'm going to fill up now and I'm going to head off that way to a place called Shardlow. Oh, it's lovely, isn't it? So nice, so hot. Lovely. So Nikki is over there, she's trying to reverse out. She needs water as well, so I expect she'll have to moor next to my boat because there's no more moorings. That'll probably be the easiest solution. So I managed to get Nikki alongside, so we'll both be able to fill up with water now. So Nikki's just rummaging in her weed hatch, and we don't want to see that. So this train bridge is quite deceiving. You have an entry point that way, an entry point that way, and no entry in the middle. If you want your services, you have to go down there. If you want to carry on up the canal, you have to go this side. But it's quite easy to think you need to go that way because it's the wider part of the river. And once you get your services there, you're supposed to turn around to come back, because I don't think you can, well, you can't get that way. I think there might be a weir or something. So it's quite a tricky one, this, because it does tell you to go both ways, but you can't carry on down the canal or the river that way. So it's straight to the locks for us, guys. Now just stopped at Sawley Locks, waiting for the CRT to open the locks for us. I think there's a boat coming down. It's down there. Beautiful, isn't it? Anyway, good morning folks, good morning. It's a fresh new mooring and it's going to be another hot one today, but I've stopped here where just outside the pub, and it's football night tonight, so England are playing tonight, so I'm hoping they're going to have it on in the pub so I can watch it there. So today I'm staying put and I am getting lots of admin done. There's lots of things I need to do. Yes, get my admin done. So one of my first jobs is I painted this the other day and it didn't dry properly. I thought it dried and it hadn't, and it's taken all the paint off. So I want to sort this front bumper out and all this paint work. So that's what I'm going to do first. So another little job I'm trying to do this morning is just paint around my chimney because it's getting a bit cracked and a bit rusty looking. So I put my undercoat on it already, just got to put my black on. So that's 2 coats, that's done now, just wait for it to dry. Okay, so another job I'm doing, I'm going over this cream line because I don't like it, and I've just cut some holes here to put my vents in because I need vents to pass my boat safety certificate. So I've cut my holes in, just giving it a little repaint, and then I'm going to put my vents on. So managed to paint the front of it. I did it in black this time, but I might change the colour when I get some blue paint. Just put some rope around it in a minute, took the chain off because it's just scratching the paint all the time. I'm just going to leave that like that for now. It looks better to me. Okay, so just painted my back doors and put my little vents on the bottom. The only thing is one of them isn't very straight, but it looks alright. And it should pass the boat safety certificate. Morning folks, good morning. I'm just drying my smalls, just getting them dried out. Yeah, it's going to be a lovely day today folks. I'm really excited about my changes that I'm going to be making on my boat over the next year, and it's going to be lovely in here once it's done. I've got it all sorted up here in my head. Anyway, it's a lovely day today folks, and I've just woke up this morning to this lovely little view. It's great, isn't it? It's just lovely. Anyway, so that's the end of this video, and it's been a happy ending. Yeah, it's been a happy ending guys, it's been a happy ending. There'll be no mention of the football here. Thank you Emma for the visit, nice to see you again Emma, not long for you chicken, and you'll be on the cut. Yes, and happy birthday as well. Also, well that's it, no coffees this week guys. I've got no coffees. I've had to make my own. And if you do want to buy me a coffee, that's in the description below. Anyway, have a great day guys, whatever you're doing, wherever you are. Thank you for all the likes, subscribes, the messages and everything. And please remember, open your duck hatch. Bye guys.
Cruising the canal on my 45th sloop, John B. Cruising the cut is where I'll be.